May I, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Gram. Your Lordship, this matter was already heard on 7. So, respondent was sought to take the instruction.
Where is the respondent? State. A project is, we have stayed a project. Wait for some time. All this matter up to 6, isn't it?
Yes.
1 to 5.
Yes.
Wait for some time. Call the standing council, inform him. Wait for something.
Okay.
Yes, well, another friend has asked me to appear in this matter. I filed the wakalanama today.
Okay. But what is the instruction? Education, yes, standing council is here. Item 5.
And though the appointment order does not reflect, so my instructions are that this appointment is to be further assessed after 1 year on my performance in that school. My further continuation.
So that's why we call for the agreement.
My lord. And my also further instruction is that this transfer is made on the basis of a political note by MLA of the.
But he candidly said that we have done it on the request of the respondent number, private respondent.
If the records are.
That I think that is not barred. Their employer, if somebody is in problem, they can do it. But the other ground that it cannot be transferred from the school, of course, we can consider.
Yes.
But that will be revealed in your this is the same place, 2 different schools only.
Yes, my lord, same place.
Same place, isn't it?
Not same place, around 25 kilometers from there.
That's 25
They
kilometers.
would apply to their private respondent also, my lord.
Clause 3, my lord.
Kopi ko pa.
Pamer, tapos Clause 3 clearly says he should be ready to serve in any part of the state. And there is nothing like school-based or specific, my lord.
Will not interfere. She has been serving for 6 years in that school. She made a request to her employer that, see, I have a child. It's 25 kilometers. I'll have to every day go up and down. And I'm having some serious gynecological problem. Anyway, whatsoever, the employer has considered and said that, okay, we are transferring it. Where is the wrong on it? Can we judicially review it? And he has just joined it. He has a long way to go. Where is the contract? Which clause?
Contract 3, my lord.
Huh?
Contract, clause 3, my lord.
Clause 3.
3, my lord. The second party should, may I read, my lord?
Yes.
The second party should be
So
Not
ready to serve anywhere, my lord.
nothing hard. Mr. D. Panging Learned Counsel for the petition. Also hard.
E. Jamo, my lord.
Examine Learned Standing Council. Full stop. Other order to लिखिए first paragraph पे लिखिए order represent revision is well. Pursuant to order dated 8/11/2023, the Learned Standing Council has produced the deed of agreement of engagement of the petitioner clause 3 of which reads as follows. The quote clause 3. Okay? Red mark. Full stop. Therefore, the argument of the learned counsel for the petitioner that the the appointment is school based and cannot be transferred is not the correct position of fact, inasmuch as the aforesaid clause 3 clearly provides that the petitioner is to serve anywhere in the state. Full stop. Accordingly, such contention of the petitioner stands rejected. Now, coming to the point that the transfer order was issued on the application of the private respondent, the learned standing counsel has produced an application of the private respondent which shows that the private respondent has filed an application for transfer from GHSS Kamba to Government Secondary School New to Kamba to Government Secondary School Alok or to Government Secondary School New Auckland or what? New something like that. OLAS, Olas red or something like that. It's my red mark. Full stop. The filing of such application is that she has been serving in the GHSS Kamba since last 6 years, and she is having some gynecological problem as well as she is having a minor child, and she has to travel 24 kilometers every day to attend the school. The employer has considered such application and accordingly issued the aforesaid impugn order. In a considered opinion of this court, the employer is within its jurisdiction to consider such an application, and this court cannot judicially review such decision of the employer. In that view of the matter, this court is of the view that this present petition deserves to be dismissed, being devoid of merit. Accordingly, same stands dismissed. The interim order passed earlier on so and so stands vacated. We'll have to give some leeway to the employer also.
Yes, yes, I told my learned friend also it's difficult. I was banking on the guidelines of the department and I found out now that it's only for regular.
This is for regular. 1 to 4.
Yes,
Yes, my lord, I have only received oral instruction, my lord.
what is that ground?
Date, my lord, yes, my lord. Only on date ground, my lord. The board has appointed one private counsel, my lord. Respondent number 4.
Which is respondent number 4?
The tender evaluation board, my lord.
So what is your step?
Here, my pleading is that I would like to submit that the petitioner has not registered contract. He is not registered under the Entrepreneurship Act. So this tender was called for only for local contractor under Entrepreneurship Act. That's why he's.
Where is the tender clause? Where is the tender notice?
Pardon, your lordship.
Where is the tender notice? So as this clause that local contractors are sought for.
I have not yet received any copy of petition, my lord. So yesterday only I have engaged in this matter. So I have to say that the petitioner has no locus to participate in this tender process.
Just a minute. Tender is at page 29. NIT is at page 29.
27.
27, your lordship, 27.
Now tell us what is the ground for rejection, that he is not registered under the act.
Act.
Act, the District Entrepreneurship Act. Now kindly come to the tender notice. Just I'll read it. Item rate tender is hereby invited on behalf of Governor of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh for all registered and eligible contractors and vendors, firms having valid trading license with GST registration for supply of so and so. From all the registered contractor suppliers in class and 2 categories domiciled within the territorial jurisdiction of Assembly constituency as per Arunachal Pradesh based entrepreneurs professionals. So yes, yes, where is your registration?
Yes, registration.
Where is
Form
your
registration.
Huh?
Your lordship, please
Your
come to,
registration is at
page number 22.
page number 22. This is a CPW.
CPW, yes, he is CPWD contractor, my lord.
CPW contractor. Where is your registration under the act? Specifically, they have mentioned in the contract. It says that domicile within the territorial jurisdiction of ancestral constituency as per the Arunachal Pradesh District-Based Entrepreneurs and Professional Act.
Two 2015.
2015.
Your lordship, there is no such provision for this entrepreneurship act.
No, and that is all registered contractor suppliers in class and 2 categories. Now, domicile within the territorial jurisdiction of the Assembly constituency. Are you domicile of the Assembly
Yes,
constituency?
yes, your lordship.
Where is that statement? Yes, sir, you have your record
Yes.
On Monday. on Monday.
It's fine, my lord.
Huh?
I may be given to file affidavit. I will say.
No, what affidavit will you file? We will see the record. If that condition is there in the act, we will reject it.
Yes.
Moment we give you file an affidavit,
Yes.
then we will have to continue with the stay.
Yes.
And we do not want a public project to stay. Here, basic question is, if a contractor under CPWD is
Yes.
entitled,
Yes.
then open their price bid and allow them to participate.
Yes.
That much. If not, if it is specific and your ground of rejection is there, produce the record of ground of rejection. Are you having that?
Today, at this present, I don't have.
You
because
have the reasons of
Yes.
rejection.
Sometime may be given, my lord.
We'll take it on Tuesday.
Yes.
Till then, we'll protect her.
Second point of rejection is the range of amount.
Uh.
Then the range amount is also different in class 3 and class 2. And this belongs to class 2.
Hmm.
And the amount tender amount 1.61 crore only.
But you have allowed the class 2 to participate.
Yeah, because
Page 51.
another.
But you have even issued not only in tender notice, subsequently we have given a corrigendum that class 1, 2 and 3. Fees,
My lord, the board are disputing this, page 51, my lord.
huh?
51, page 51,
It's clubbing together.
column 4, my lord. Serial number 4. They say class 2 register cannot participate, but it is reflected above 1 crore up to 3 crore.
All registered contractors in class 3 and 2 categories domicile within the territorial jurisdiction of Assembly constituency.
Yes.
So only condition is the domicile.
So, Miss-
It is not that it should be registered under any specific act. It is even if it's CPW, class grade 2, class 2, all it's a domicile. Now we'll see whether she is domiciled or not. You produce the
Yes, sir.
record.
Will produce, will
Huh?
satisfy my lord.
Okay.
We have-
Okay, well, if you are, will not interfere, if you can satisfy us that you have rightly rejected without any malafide intention, will not interfere.
Lordship,
Okay,
lordship.
you produce the record.
Yes.
The learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 4 and respondent number 5,
4 and 5. Same
4 and
person.
5.
4 and 5 are the same person.
4 and 5, that is the project director GRDA, Kurungkame district, and the tender evaluation committee, district rural DRDA, Kurungkame district, has entered appearance in this
Yes.
petition
My lord.
through Mr.
You take up.
U. Deka, learned counsel, and contends that the petitioner is not a registered class 2 contractor under the Arunachal Pradesh district-based entrepreneurs and professionals within bracket Development and Promotion Act. See at page 27. Underline Arunachal Pradesh. Act 2015. Act 2015. He and is a registered contractor under
CPW.
the CPW, and therefore the tender of the petitioner has been rejected. Full stop. The learned counsel submits that he may be allowed to file an
Affidavit.
affidavit. Full stop. As the matter relates to a public project and this court has already passed an interim order, this court is of the view that the matter may be taken up at the motion stage itself
Yes.
on next Tuesday.
My lord.
Tuesday?
Tuesday, I am free occupied. Wednesday.
Wednesday. Too many matters. Wednesday. Wednesday. On
Okay.
which date
Yes.
the learned counsel for the respondent number 4 and 5 shall produce the report
Yes.
of the tender evaluation committee whereby the tender of the present petitioner
Yes.
was rejected.
My lord, in
Full
the
stop.
meantime, a copy.
In the
will be
meantime, copy of the present writ petition be
Yes.
so extra copy of the
Yes.
extra copies of the present writ petition be served upon the
Respondent
respondent number 4, learned counsels for the respondent number 4 and 5 during the course of the day.
Yes.
Otherwise, you will vacate the stay. During the course of the day, list accordingly, the interim order passed earlier shall continue till Wednesday.
Yes.
My lord,
Item number 6. Yes. Your transfer order cancellation has been set aside.
not satisfied, it has been stayed.
Stayed.
Yes.
Yes. Why the deputy commissioner asking him to go to the local MLA? That is his allegation. Have instruction. We are taking it.
I'm taking deputy commissioner.
What is the instruction?
No, take lordship.
You
sometime
take
later.
instruction that, and if the fact he has said is correct, we'll draw a contempt against him.
Lordship.
As simple as that. Suo moto.
Yes, my lord. In fact,
We'll draw a suo moto, I have instruction.
Lordship.
And we'll list this other matter along with this. Where you have got a stay. The repetition.
Lordship?
There is another repetition.
Yes,
isn't it?
lordship, another question
That
pending. lordship.
where your transfer cancellation has been stayed.
Yes, lordship, yes, lordship.
When that matter is fixed,
It is not fixed, lordship.
we'll fix it together
Lordship,
along with this.
lordship.
Take down. The present writ petitioner was transferred from transferred from government higher secondary school Geku,
Yes.
Upper Siang, and posted as DDSC Pasighat, East Siam district. And the respondent number 3 was transferred in his place as principal of government higher secondary school Geku Upper Pasighat.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Geku.
Yes.
Geku. Full stop. Subsequently, the order of aforesaid transfer. Subsequently, the aforesaid transfer order was cancelled
Cancel.
by an order dated 28/8/2023. Full stop. Being aggrieved, the petitioner approached this court by filing WPC number 452
Yes. Lord.
AP
Yes.
/2023. And this court queries that order by its order dated
Is at page number 18, Lord. It has to.
earlier order.
Yes, Lord.
By its order dated WPC 450 AP, not AP. Nowadays it's not AP. 450 WPC /452/2023. This court, by its order dated 22/9/2023, state the order of cancellation
Yes.
dated 28/8/2023.
28/8/2023.
Full stop. The petitioner, according to the petitioner, he has submitted a joining report before the Deputy Commissioner on 12/10/2023, pursuant to the earlier transfer order dated 11, which was the earlier transfer order? 1/8/2023. However, the Deputy Commissioner, East Siam District, Pasighat, has asked him to meet the local MLA and did not allow him to join. Full stop. In view of such serious allegation, the learned government advocate MS Swensu shall obtain instruction from the Deputy Commissioner, East Siam District, Pasighat, and apprise this court whether the position as alleged by the petitioner is correct and also apprise this court if the petitioner has reported for joining pursuant to transfer order dated 1/8/2023, why he has not been allowed to join. Full stop. List this matter on
Lordship.
Tuesday.
Monday.
No, Lordship, Monday is too.
Monday maybe too early, vacation schedule.
Lordship 15.
15th.
Much obliged.
In the motion column. List this matter along with WPC 452/2023
Yes.
on 15th. Yes. Will issue a notice. Heard Mr. D. Pangi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard the learned counsel for the
1, 2, and 5.
1, 2, and 5. 1, 2, and 5. And so and so for 3 and 4. Full stop. The present writ petition is filed assailing the action of the respondent employer that the respondent has not provided for reservation in the matter of promotion for persons with benchmark disabilities inasmuch as the petitioner is entitled to promotion under such category and his case has been rejected. Issue notice returnable after 4 weeks. It will line the issue notice, so accepts notice and so. As the parties are duly represented, no face notice need be issued. However, extra copies be furnished to the learned council representing the respondents. Also within a period of 5 days. Yes, what is this?
My lord, this is basically I approach this honorable court for consideration application.
The petitioner was searched and tried in GR case number 120/2016 by the Chief Judicial Magistrate 0 Arunachal Pradesh. And during the investigation of the aforesaid case, the license of revolver being license revolver number A63533 was seized by the investigating officer on 18/2/2015. Full stop. Subsequently, the petitioner, the license (9 to 2006) by the Deputy Commissioner, Koloriang District. Full stop. Subsequently, the petitioner was discharged by the Chief Judicial Magistrate by an order dated 13/9/2016, passed in GR case number 120/2016. However, it is the grievance of the petitioner that his license, suspended license, has not either been returned or revoked. Full stop. This matter needs consideration. Accordingly, issue notice returnable after 4 weeks. The so accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Full stop. As so. Steps within 5 days. After 4 weeks, we'll see on that day. You obtain the instruction whether of the yes, 11, 12.
Yes, my lord. May I apply on that? My 11 is, my lord, as IA, we are praying for the.
What is
See.
this?
Basically, what happened, my lord? This matter is related to land acquisition of a food track, especially in from the SEPA, the area that's called Lemnio to Sario. So they have issued a notification under section 10. And then the rest of the petitioners, 91 petitioners, they have filed the application saying that we are ready to part the land, but then they should be paid the fair compensation. And they have filed within the 30 days. Publication was done, and then within 30 days, they have filed application. The application is now pending. And then what happened after the pendency, during the pendency of this application, Deputy Commissioner has issued series of notice saying that we want to go for the field survey for the land compensation and properties compensation. But then what happened? They stopped middle of that, and then they did is the agreement. Among some of the societies, there's three societies. They agreed that one society
70%, 20%, 10%.
Yes, my lord. They some will get 70%, some will get 30%. And then one of the society who are the petitioners here, they are not part of the Deputy Commissioner. They say that from the society, they want to give it 20%. So now question here is that
You are the core committee.
No, I am not core committee. I am the land owner, and
What is this core committee?
Yes, that's what. They call it a core committee, and they
Core
call it a
committee
mediator.
meaning thereby that leaders will form a core committee and they will have 20%. We're staying it.
So this is the situation, my lord.
We can agree that in maybe this is a community land community has decided that this is three parts, we'll have this A community, B community, C community. They will distribute among the community members, that we can understand. What is this 20% for the core committee? The leaders of the community,
Yes, my lord.
in the name of customary law,
And land dispute also, it's not yet decided, my lord.
hard. The learned counsel for the petitioner. The present application is filed for stay of a minutes of meeting dated 21st of July 2023. Whereby, what is that case? Whereby it was decided that what is that meeting? Minutes?
My lord is page
Uh,
39.
Whereby it was decided that the land acquisition compensation in respect of Wagging River to Longsu shall be distributed on the basis of an agreement dated 18th of December 2022 entered into, whereby 40% was meant for Lamnio community, 30% for Jokyo community, 20% for Puric community, and 10% for the core committee. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner are the actual landowners and nothing has been left for them in such distribution, inasmuch as such course of action is not permissible under Land Acquisition Act, and petitioners has already laid their claim for land acquisition compensation, and such decision has been entered behind their back. Full stop. This matter needs further consideration. Full stop. This court is of the view that the petitioner has been able to make out a prima facie case that the way of distribution of land acquisition compensation is not permissible under law, under the law. Full stop. This matter needs further consideration. Accordingly, if in the event no interim order is passed, the land acquisition compensation may be distributed in the meantime. Considering the above, it is provided that no land acquisition compensation shall be distributed to anyone till anybody pursuant to decision in the decision taken in the minutes of meeting held between the aforesaid communities
21/7.
dated
21/7.
dated 21/7/2023 under the chairmanship of N. Borang, the additional deputy commissioner Bareng, at conference hall Sepa district is coming, Arunachal Pradesh. Full stop. Upor eta দিব, finish further consideration, issue notice. Then it is short. Okay.
Obliged.
Madam, you instruct the deputy commissioner not to proceed further.
Lordship.
We do not know whether you can upload this order today or not, but ask them, inform them. The learned government advocate shall intimate the deputy commissioner Sepa regarding the order passed today.
Obliged.
फटाफट करो। क्या करूँ?
May I please, your lordships?
Yes, yes.
In fact, possibly your lordship is aware there is another matter, connected matter, that is WPC 223 of 2023, item 9.
Okay. So how will you proceed? You will argue today?
No, but I am told that lordship is hearing the government advocate today.
I am hearing the learned advocate general.
Today,
so
yes.
if you argue, then we can conclude on the next date hearing the advocate general.
If my learned friend wants to complete this argument today,
Then
I can do it on Monday.
Monday. It is from the petitioner's side, we can conclude today. How much time will you take?
But my only difficulty is like this.
Monday is a holiday in Guwahati.
Yes, yes.
You can very well travel on Sunday, and we can hear the entire matter on Monday and conclude it.
Well, Monday, if your lordship, I can do it from home also very comfortably here. If your lordship so permits me.
You are comfortable, but these sounds are echoing.
Okay.
Such an
possibility-
important matter. We will like your physical presence. I am not discouraging the video. This is virtual mode,
My lord, my lord.
but
If the connectivity is not very,
hearing you
my lord.
physically will be a pleasure for us.
I'm so obliged.
Hope that
And
will be a
other-
pleasure for you too, traveling
Yes,
here.
always, my lord. Yeah, all indications are clear to me, my lord. My lord,
Arunachal is always a pleasure to visit. Yes.
my
Tell
lord,
us.
Monday, whether learned AG is also available there.
As he
on
is
Monday?
available. We'll go overboard. We'll finish up the matters and we'll conclude this hearing on Monday. I do not think it will take much time.
No,
All right, my lord, then we'll do like that. I'll go there as your lordship so pleases.
Okay. You
Because-
come on Monday.
My lord.
We may travel together on
Yes,
Monday,
yes.
all
And-
ages, and
Yes, my lord, I
we'll hear this
complete
matter.
your lordship will allow me to complete my part first, so that
I do not
AG
think it will take too much of time.
No,
Issues
no, no.
are very
because-
limited.
Very limited, very limited. In
Very
my
limited.
case, one additional fact is there, my lord. In my case, my lord, first of all, I was earlier employed, of course, after retirement as colonel, I was re-employed. There, I took a resignation to join here. So number one. And number two, the
These
very
facts are not in dispute.
Not
Basic
in-
question is their power and manner of exercise. If
Absolutely.
entering into the service, suppose if we heard that yes, this year you are not holding the post, then ends the matter. If we take a view
Right.
that no swearing in is not for the purpose of not having the swearing in will not mean that you are not an elected selected member. So if either of the view, and if we take that, whichever we take the view, then will depend upon that. Then we'll say it is required 317. And if you say that no, if we go by the Advocate General's argument, that no, until and unless he enters into the office, 317 is not applicable. Then we'll go in favor of the state. That much only. Other facts are all admitted.
My lord. Yes.
That manner I have said. That manner, in manner and the reason, whether in that circumstances that can be done. These three issues I have. I think Mr. Panging has briefed it. We'll hear you tomorrow. Monday.
disconnected. I think he is not disconnected.
That is the problem.
Yes. Virtual, there will be a problem. by
No,
the way.
I'm-
Full hearing can't be done. Full hearing is very difficult.
And we do not think Monday
Yes, I
we can even here, so not a single have second sit in the second half. So even you can
Immediately after the motions, if your lordship takes up, it can be finished. madam.
finish
I don't think it will take more than 2 hours.
2 hours.
My friend Mr. Panging has already completed.
Completed.
Uh,
Why I want to hear him first is, then you can answer both.
Yes, yes.
Otherwise, again, you will answer, again, you will have to have this. Okay?
Yeah.
So Monday.
All right, my lord. All right.
Okay, we'll pass this order on Monday as part heard.
My lord.
As part heard. Things
All
are
right.
there, I'll take it home and go through all your arguments and all. I'll not take up the file, but I'll take this arguments file.
But I may only indicate one thing. My argument basically will be, first of all, once I am appointed under 316, the only course open to them is 307 and no other course open.
That is
Now
the
they-
argument, Paging also advanced.
My second leg of argument is, if ultimately after hearing the learned AG G. my lordship is of the view that no, since oath has not been administered, they have the power to recall. Then my second leg of argument will be, even assuming that they have power because oath has not been administered, even then the parameters on which I have been appointed.
This is the problem, Mr. Majumdar.
He will keep disappearing. Yesterday, many were asking me, why you did not address in the farewell reference? This is the reason. It feels very awkward.
Majumdar, this is the problem. Virtual.
So what I'm just indicating for the benefit of the learned AG also. The second leg of argument will be that even assuming they have power to recall, the recall power has to be exercised on relevant considerations. Now the considerations here are not germane to the parameters on the basis of which I was appointed. That will be my second leg of argument. I'm just indicating so that my learned AG also is aware. I'm not taking him by surprise as to what I will be arguing. So basically, these are the 2 points, man.
Okay.
Yes.
So we'll keep it as a part, call somebody to the chamber and see you on Monday.
Monday.
नहीं